Someone wrote this song before, and I could tell you where it's from. Before 736-251 to put my mind at ease. Please just have a laugh with me, 'cause you know